then twine abahinsa aho tweta aba extension agency nanga ba CBF aha nabo namwe n'umuhinga kujya umuntu yana korete kandi akwebembera groupe ngakora ikintu cyose nabona abaryo umuhinzi
sebo no banyeta Christine Chomugisha kandi ndi program officer omukitongole kya Sasakawa Global 2000 mu department ey'ebyobuhingi n'ingasi crop productivity enhancement. Abino kugira nga tumira
nurira nabe sembera
gwe sebo kato oburo bumbise ogenda koza language ki
briefly talk about the green field day. What is it?
A green field day, of course, is one of our major learning days where farmers come together to the different fields. They share experiences on the different fields. They teach each other. They ask all the questions related to post-germination management of the fields. And it is intended to allow farmers appreciate the performance of the technologies or the crops at the vegetative stage. Of course, usually we have 2 field days, the green one and the brown field days. The brown field days, we do them at the end of the season when farmers are actually preparing to harvest, and at that stage, literally the crops are brown, ready for harvesting. But we realize that farmers need to learn right from the greener stage of the crop, where they can appreciate the performance of the crops or of the technologies when the crop is still young, and then they'll be able to evaluate as we go to the brown field days.
Yeah, specifically we are in a millet garden.
Yes, please.
We know millet in this region is one of the stable food, and the agronomy is you just scatter the germinates, but we are seeing a different field. Briefly, tell me what happened here.
Well said. Actually, in this western region, millet is a staple crop, and we realize every household will not survive unless they have millet. Of course, for the different reasons, it's one of the food security crops that they have. But the challenge is that farmers have actually not been giving attention to it, and most of them have just been growing it traditionally. No care actually has been taken for the fields. So as Sasakawa, we came in because of our interventions to improve food security and income. We looked at this staple crop as something that we can promote within the western region. So our key interventions have been on agronomic practices for millet, starting with the correct seed selection. So actually they planted a variety called Seremi 1, which is a very improved and high yielding variety for millet, as opposed to the traditional ones that have actually lost the yielding potential. So the agronomy of millet, as opposed to the farmer practices, we encourage farmers to plant the millet in lines, of course having well prepared the fields. It was not easy when we would tell farmers that millet can be actually planted in lines. Actually, most of them thought it was a joke. But with the demonstrations, we really feel it helped the farmers.
Yeah, because millet is too small compared to maize, whereby you can pick a seed and put in a lane. For this case, how do you handle these small seeds and be able to follow the lane?
It is very possible, and you would actually enjoy planting millet. Actually, I must say that where we are standing right now, it's quarter an acre garden. But if I tell you that we used less than a kilo of seed, you may not believe it, but that is the truth. First of all, by planting in lines, you save on the seed that you would have used. You use very little seed compared to what a traditional farmer would have used. So how to achieve that is actually very easy. You get your millet. For instance, here we used half a kilo. That is basically 1 cup of millet. So the 1 cup, we teach the farmers how to make sure that it is easily spaced. We encourage you mix 1 cup with the sand and some ash in a ratio of 1:3. So that means for the 1 cup of millet seed, you put in 3 cups of sand and then with the ash mixed together. The rationale is that the ash is going to ensure that the millet is released at a pace that is not pouring. So you're able to release as little millet seed as you can, and then you have a bigger volume of the seed compared to when you'd use just plain millet to sow. Yeah.
And then, does it also use fertilizer? What do you apply for it to be as healthy as this one?
Of course, like any other crop, and given that our soils are all depleted, you cannot harvest anything unless you top up on the nutrient content within the soil. So equally, we applied fertilizer in millet, and we still encourage farmers to really apply some fertilizer in millet. So here we used a fertilizer called NPK, but specifically blended for millet. So all the nutrients that are in there are in ratios that are for millet. Millet as a crop is actually not a heavy feeder, not like maize. So the nutrient content within the NPK for millet was estimated to suit the nutritional requirements for millet as a crop. So in short, different crops have different nutrient requirements. That's why I specify here that we use the NPK for millet.
What is our harvest expectation for millet?
If this garden, if it was like in an acre, a farmer would expect to get around 800 kilograms. So those are basically 8 bags. So for this small demonstration, we expect a farmer to get a minimum of 2 bags. Yes, which is actually much more compared to what our farmers currently are harvesting in the normal traditional practices.
Okay, assuming this scaling up of growing of millet here, do we have much for millet?
Actually, for this very season, we have had more demands for millet compared to other crops like maize, for example, because we all understand that the price for maize has gone low for this period, so more farmers are running into millet. There is a potential for millet. Right now, a bag of millet is around 180,000 shillings. So that is one crop the farmers are running into in our promotion of farming as a business. Yeah, so millet has potential and it has the market provided you have it. Yeah.
We're highlighting the use of seed and fertilizer. What should you encourage these farmers around here? Yet you know Uganda is somewhat blessed by nature.
Well, seed is one key thing because, of course, whatever you plant will result into how much you will harvest. So if you plant poor quality seed, you don't expect to reap anything better from the poor seed you planted. So we encourage farmers to always use improved seed. And improved seed does not have to be hybrid. You can have your own home saved seed for as long as it is well stored. It is, if you keep on changing a variety after at least 3 seasons, it is still fit. So when we talk of improved seeds, people do not have to run into hybrids and the like, no. But it is seed that actually still has its production potential. Yeah, so for this particular one, it's a variety actually called Seremi 1, which we acquired from Serere, and it has good qualities. We actually want the farmers themselves to assess and evaluate and give us feedback. But we are resting assured that it is a very high-yielding variety. And the beauty of it is that farmers can keep seed and replant it after the next seasons. They do not have to continue buying seed each and every season.
Bungamo district is well known for livestock keeping. Sasakawa came to start this kind of cultivation agriculture. How do you evaluate yourself in this region? Are farmers adapting the technology?
Yeah, of course, we understand.
Is there any shift from cattle rearing to agronomy?
I shouldn't say there is a shift per se, but we are in an era of diversification. So, and given climate change, diversification is one measure. So we even encourage the livestock farmers to have a component of crop husbandry or for food security purposes. Where can people run for food in case? So we encourage that at least for every household, apart from the livestock, have a garden where you can always get the crops and feed your children and the like. So we do not mind whether you're a livestock farmer but for as long as you embrace crop cultivation technologies. And we see more promising farmers. Actually, we have more numbers of farmers adopting the use of improved technologies like fertilizers and improved seeds within this area.
Ati Elizina bakwitoha
More Mugisha.
More Mugisha. Abokuba okupinga n'oburo mu layini kimanyisa ki?
Ikimanyisa kutamu orwezo okeza byingi birungi.
Habwenki tuli okupinga like abana bale bapinga nga mu kwitoha
okubiboti okubiba oburo bwo kubura notambatambika nibushisha obwire. So ubwo musoro gwanjye uhingire nagubagara imizi ebiri kandi n'oburebe buro kubonire.
Amazina
More Mugisha vice chairperson abwe gombora yabongera. Tuna kamera.
This one can do. This one does, but sometimes for magazines.
Abafika au kupereza nuwo alika yona yona yasi mu yona mukona y'iguru bakurebe ngende bonze ko muri ready zono kide Brian wabirishya ajya humurka ugomborra ya wongera kama uyihunga nawe bamureke Rosensi namba basi dosi mu ndumbo aha
amazina Sentara Shakira kurko mugombora yabongera umurwa gwa Katoni kandi CBF ekibina ekingiro go musiri ni Kabare Two Farmers Association kandi nkora mu Nkomo Beach. Tabeka msenta berezitu tategereza bwire nzira kugwa abo kuhanura na mugongo ta kamera nzira kuyavire kapa yetorize mu ntanzo rwitu eshaka kuyashire wa nzira kuyagwire izane ndugo yitu na fertilizer yitu kabugana mu ekizo cyo mushana kwabe bimeze mushana gwatera ebiro ebitwa byariremu kabyare biro bishakujyo kwamwe. Ise fertilizer y'ikigamba abo kwatkata kumangusa kushanganyiko twine nkobwo bo abo kati turiyo ntumbantu ntwega kandi togesa nondijo nabwo ntuzakongera twege abo kandi twenda tumanyira n'ekikurete eki nakabaza kakubasa kubandi kaza mu nyense kitatugarukaho ahitwa akitwa nka group yitu ya Nyakabare Two Farmers Association kega okuteka tukabanza mujye kubika saving twebike sente tuzeguza twaherze twahe abasasakawa bija batwegesa okuteka amandazi emigati y'abagore cake pans naza kutiza kandi hati ekigenda wakikigwa menshi twakishikiriza twamutera amagrasi n'amasuwani n'amadishi twakomaho tuje twagura mu poroti yitu era hari yaseri wajombe katwanze nakombeke cyoma cyobuchori twafwahereze twajya katwombeke twaimbeke mizigo ebiri twajya mukati tugicinge tutambike kugipangisa abantu rero twagumiza mu tukora ebitiyo ntukora tubone mwe senta ahamuro hameze nyama tuguza amahuri izenyama nazo izenyama zanzu shora pia tuguza tuteka muri zamabu ezenye tukayipine inkaburuki nakabale tukama ezo tuzisoma kabiri wisho rukwende nkoko nyene gisatu waje kiniyende nkoko ikuni zuko mu kayawe nzikere musanzu oyine kumbere y'intwaro mukaga okazine ko kujya mu kaga ukwambiyene konkaburiya nkabanye ngumanye fumbasi tegerizo mushija andeteremere amwayibara bugireta tizataha bukati yakora konkati nkamutegereza ni ndiyo bucoro ni ndiyo buro bwanje ebyo nimba mbiyene nebihimba nimba mbiyene ekindi abatoreza abakorwa mu Nyakabare tu Farmers Association kwena turya abatoreza bantu bashaka nabati konka turya batoreza abatahingire ikintu cyo abamwe binoburo abandi bine bicori abandi bine bihimba abakahinge bihimba n'ababene babasa ayinobura ine bicora ine nebihimba ukana ningambe cyo umwamambroze no mujuruzi wanje fatareze yina muguzireho nyo tingujimanya aho nkaba sindika sente kargaho nagita nargo natam nabirgo nebe bice tubendezo kushomaje kandi nsima abagenyi abasasakawa okugumana umutereze mishomo mwe bare munonga mukatuyigura misho netoranze hare hati abo hati nimanya ngu nahingo musiru gwanje obanu gwo bucori nkihamu kare nkatani yebicori nyine kuza kuronda mutahi wanje nawo ndijo wako basa kubana wayinebye bya ebyo kushana tukingire mbebemwe tukaronderaho tukyarundana tuza kubirundana ibintu byitwa hamwe tukarondera hakatare bakatiza kasente kirire abo kuba nimanya ngu nani omuntu ari kuguza wenko muntu kayine amagoba garije kubona ahabo kwani bazakwereza sente zibaru kwenda nani nshaba batahi banje abahingi muronde batahi banyu nanye ndonde batahi banje tugume turundane ibintu byito mwanya gumwe tugurizemo tutunga kasente kirireyo kuciro kugira ngo omushubuza rgari yo musenta ayijamanya ati shakira ayinoburo ampereze shinji bitano kandi kutwakubiye twerundine tulinka bashatu ninga bana oriana manyangu mwinenka nkakiro kare 15 naza kubahereza kasente kiriya kuko nana mangu napakire motoka ye najitwara stoha nawe nakuya mukukiro kugira ngo naza kuzobana tume yegara tume yepicha tume yona no umutwe mwena nimba habara batari banje mureke tume turundanire hamwe tugurize hamwe nkagurupa ejeshaha ninjya nsima abasasakawa icyo kitongore kinga mazirebero bina ndikire Kampala kushoma ahabukwatirine nempocha bantumwe abarukinge mpocha hine cyangwa kimuferirwe niwe nkanta kumanya ngo kani mangu mpocha tukizitwara hariyo musenta yitu nyamunuka harohe byoma ora byatwara waziteka mu mwonyo tindazi konka hatizere obwoma oburukora amashanyarazi kandi ukakagure sentenje ukateka mu baketa blender ukatundika mpocha zawe ukaziteka mu nosumbika shaha munana uziyamo mizi muriya uziteka mu blender omwe uziteka mu blender oswitching utushukamo mizi kwere watekamo chikopo kimwe cyempocha uzateka mu bikopo bibiri bya mizi oswitching hari ya bitabure nibyino kubikwetabura byo byese bikeza kwesa obwine bucket zawe zirungi oyine nkakenda karungi abo kayitwa yegire bakari no bwenda bwa kwayiti bubazireje oteko mu bucket ukwatabiriya oyiha blender abo kwa ahansi nekintu okireza nkejaga otufundura oshuka muri yo mwenda no bandi bizo omwenda bukamukiro mu bucket ushango ino bushera obuteka amahega abana bitu tubaraga ke no kuguna banyo bushera ekya kabiri ebiri ebintu ebi wakamura nkashanga ntwite sente ngo nuzagura umuceri ngo rero uze gukora shumbusha ibyo tubyakiruho sama twate biriye binte ebyasamu haza bikasigara birinke bikambi obiheze obyanika wana ureba ngo inobwire waiza memere mwakonyo waiza kubyanika gako shenko wabitumba tumbikamo ogureka buto kawe kace green pepper nebiyende kare biri kugenderwa hora amugwende kare groupe zirahure zakunde ciki nayegira nimuza kungamba nyondoho tinyini ituma nabatayonje nabakimanyi niya kwambrozi abamwe bamugamba ngushakira ituma akarinaga nkakuri ifo yonyete nyowa mundo ndere mpocha zanyu Brenda tinjine konka nsakoze se shekuru mbege so kumara kora abana banyo bushira twa gebye biri kurugamo twahisha twabiteko mbuto twabikaranga ndikubigerebera twasindika engano tukashanga bajikanzire twagisindika bagitera hariya twagishara twakora shumbusha buriye buntu tukintu bwe twatiro munda nkoko wakubanota ngo busaza nare nyama nari omuceri twarya tukarya tsimire nicyo nkubasimira abantu basasa kwa mukatwegesa mwebare nyo mukanyegesa kaniza kongera nyegese nabatahi banje tinyini itumanyo ebyo bice nimba siba mwebare kama baherezo mugisha noza chukuru wawe aboko washanga nkeshe kintu kintu kare comere kini cyete kitagura waba takiburize kuno basa kufuhira kikire nkibancereka ntubantu gumantu nsaguma kuri yitwabe turi yifo haza hati twatembere turyo mu kasozi ahabwa basasa kawaba mbene ebyo bice na nimbende zo kushoma kurungi no kutambaraje uwo mukama ryo muhezo witu
ya akwa rwicu mukwenda kubuza nanga ine cyo rukwenda kongeraho nanga ine shaka kushobera uze ba members na nabandi ari nawe tubasa kigarikemo
kuba n'umukureba bine bintu byentunguka munonga groupe rukhura bana coordinator nyenda kugambira ngumugombo regi groupe ejinanye ningesimsi konka nkagishanga rukubi gwanyuma yo kuruga umutraining afoto rugadiganga nkashanga bo mu December bakaba babagine sente za groupe abakazi baguzira ubuwivu baguzira imyenda bakozira imiceri mbwene konka nkayija umugroupe yabo nkagitayayire mirundi ebiri nabegesa ngo at least bantu basharinga kwezi kwa mushanju kandi kwaza ko mu 12 akasente bebakagariremu okuba ito kunuya mu community yitu esente zabe ko guzezi nakataro kwezi ko kubanza no kwa kabiro kwandi ihumuruka nabwo ecobo uko kubanza akaba batine muna rwigana barugira mu kubagana mbwene konka nyenda kubasima emirundi ebiri natayire groupe yanyu kareta mwe mishomejo ine hiriganga nintekateka ngo niye ntunguke mu mukora kandi ahingambira ibo bene poroti kandi nimpamye ngo ranga yaba kwasize nibaza kujombeka mukaka abakakika bari nubombeka kandi ito nangwa vision yitu ntwenda gasako
kirire cya restoration iki kandi eje ndwara nabwo katukugira ngo erya hano ko witikeriyo ekimeremye baho ikiye
uburo bwitu ko wakigamba ujya n'ubundi burwara n'ubundi burwara uburwire bwo boro tubwinji kureka nabuco boro tuna tubwirinde twasangamo arweje ndwara eneje ejeje rukomya kasa akapapaka mukareba ejeje nangwa kuno narebekanye munonga fono nakakaro akumuhandetera kandi akokakomere none nyuma yakoze kushana nakandi okomere kona kurga kunuya kengana ko kanuma kakoko kagarire kunuya umuntu yakukadira kata kayoma aha wagama bakafuhira zomba zuko bwoko nimbamba kushakira so akakabara boka kija bwazira buta bwakuze bene zakabagambere iki ina abana babuza aha ashaka yero inahana re baramuka yero uburo ahinja bukumegana abo twote burwiye nebirisa bigira bita bikanya byeyongera cyengana nabaza hari yaruka karo kinjaka nango muri kabukwatana bucikombitinga batabana na mizi nemere ibirisa bicendera cubare birisa bya potassium byayongera byazamu byaba bice biye gitanda burwira kwa burumu usanga wajirota omawune ndwara ukamunagira ki ene kiriza cyengana mbene tuonje na tuatakakira ku rwano so burwire tu spacing ejo burubwito twashengana rero twamara izo ndwara zone zirwo mu rufango disease nizikirakanya nazikanya bwire bw'enjura konka segitande biri sakona nagambere cyongera kibisisikara cyo mbere turagame twakora kigambere nimwe baza mu training kugira ngo tuza kongera kureta mubazi na umuntu basagwegurira bwo kurwana so burwire tunezo ko bwoko gwonka nkatwashanga kiri mu gira sta umbaze ubwoko umubwire uko yongera mbene uragoro mbazi tuzagore mbazi harimo ka Victory jeri nkenyanya munjenga Victory kubanga ina mani mingi ngabata kwasigura basakoresa indofiru makozebo utabere Victory yawe ninga harvester Rudomiru ne basakora makamanga expensive ne gura sente nyingi munonga konka Victory harvester na fungicide nizikora nco cyumwe tujifuhirize twabantu fero mbazgo bukoko oburo bade gutu batakatarikire bara ufure meji na neji nizakuchendera omaze gutukose gwesano ndukudabara omugo bukoko tubwita no bugwira tugira tsa tubiyamba kandi ushike ngo mbazi tugukora gonka nukwane bindi bigenderwa byo musiri umusiri gutarimo mwata umusiri guhingirwe kare umusiri gwibirwe kare ibyo nato kubyebwa wo kurukora sembazi mwebare
endwara y'ino bageta sambogo haza sambogo nubara beno batugambire mibazi konka okugerinda kwayo kushikire umuburo kashenda ne controlling munonga nimpabura abahingi boburo kugira ngo waba novuba omukutaburo buro bwawe urebeke ngo ine mukagera ki oburo bwaburi yaha kikuku sambogo tekuzama mwenu nimpabura abahingi minu hayo nobare nibagambe mibazi konkorebeke ngo mukutaburo buro ine mwijuru yaki okubana icyo kimwe umbaze yito ya roko eki kutamba sambogo mwebare
mutu murabe takari ya ferine lyawana lya mayinja nyo linama oruyinja ruiki rungi atenga murabe emirandira gyobulo wano wegikoma kakati ne bwoba otaddemu ebijimusa emirandira gino bwe giba tegisobola kutuuka bijimusa bufuuka butya bwebuto kyobola batu bagamba tino bwoba mulina amasha ebiriisa bino ebiki amasha ebinyankole ebyo ebiriisa ebinyankole n'obitabika muki mu ttaka muno n'oteeka muno kakati ebijimusa bino bye tuleeta ebizungu bino NPK bwe twaleeta alwamu mu ttaka era tolaba yero oyo muki mungi era botunidde obulo obusinga obungi nga bulina awali emiki ettaka amayinja botera okukola ki yere oyo era olaba wana enkuba we yatwala wali ki wali nyoyero kale bwoba ng'osobola okufuna ebigundi ebyo n'otabuka mu ttaka bwoti osobola okukola ki okuba nga tofuna nyoka yero kalo
mwakyetegereza ekyo
omugaso gw'oku spacing bwoba ospacinze bulungi ojja kulaba ng'ebikole ebimu biriko ebyana bisatu babiyita batya mu Luyankole tiralingi okuzaala so buli lwoyiwa bwoti oba ekyansi ogisse tebijja kuzaala naye bw'ospacinga kiba stiru kijja kuzaala era ofune kingi okusinga nga okoze eki
nani nyenda abagroup mwongere kututangazaho 3 n'emisire 3 ningasi entano za neheri aharuguru yo gwa hansi yo gwa hagati na nubwo gutwemeriremo
ati nore antu batakinga mu mataka gitu engeri yaba nkaba atego no muzigiti abantu bapangisa ubuntu kandi oyine ku buhingo byabo ko toruho erizo baruho cyakare toruho kugira ngo uriya nabo kwari jayizire gupangisa akashange hakasera ku atatemo wandijo akashangana bucerakera
abantu batupemera neriti
ni abantu bapema neriti hati nicyo kure harimo bo busharasharo konko musiro no musiro gumwe konko yine kuguhinga oruko obo buntu tabutabe wabutaba nabwihona numba ntware to rwari kandi nekindi nikibani cye karebe cyo ni yabere inshonga ngo Happy mwana mugeragera nsomusiro gwitu na naguriyo gwifogo. Kuriya. Ubwo twatumwina remember ari kuza kuhinga nitwe. Papa yahereze yagira mu kare ka waswasi. Ya embibo yasibayo enjure gwire niyo tinza kubakuma. Tukuza kubibo bwe bukaba bwameze. Asa nangwa kandi yagezaho nawe yajya ninza kugenda nanyenze kuhinga kandi konka ngendeho na fertilizer yatera yagize bati.
Na fertilizer kagira.
Akagira umwe kureba umwe. Konka tuwaranzya ntuza kumutanganya kundi kuranzya ntuza kumutanga kurya. Cyane kimwe nano masharura. Wanogeza agezana n'ebishishe bitwine. Tukahinganisa nawe. Nana kare mwene nana wanoreba mwene nanu niwo kwa norambura musiri. Kanje shanze ngo gumusira tugwanje. Pingwino kakwati konka nisha nishemerera rwogu tukugira ngo nene ngamba kujya no Rwanda nisha nishemerera rwogu abuka n'ugugenda je na wano orambura hata nabe nibagarizo kwifamisha kare okaga ukaranzya tukugira ngo utingire nembibwemo konka no reya ngwe kine kikwereka no muntu yahikaho abuka nyo hariho no musigazi yandetire he bintu aho nyono banyeta mama yisimu mama yisimu kawahinga mwahingira buro burungi namyatsi turahingire buro burungi konke mpinga abuka tukahingira mu layini twateka mu kirisa nti nicyo cyo nogira ngo tukahinga oburo burungi
are kintu bantu ndakiga nke mwibiri
kweba kwinji konka nisemeje gurupu kureba ngwetira mu ngore twabashomisi konka nyine kibuzo kimwe akaplota ko numujya ngo muza kuyamukira kazinga
nyo kukare kundu kuranga nabwo kare nkabaza nka sha aho nka ariko jamu tukabiba tuti deba ogwabigambe abo kuba nina abanize kuhinga muri no buro yiha yangira nkaba musigaha hifaha ari kugesha tujya hamwe kugesha niyo shamba nahereze kugesha natahire nyine de yazanje nyegwira wanjira asibayo ayija nakade yakakiri 10 ayina abahinji bashatu abura no kiza akangira ati koro botakwenda kungura nkundetera fertilizer tindiga akakwinga buri natu twaturiyo mu yanjye ati nyo kundu bantine fertilizer nganda nyina isimate atindiga kwinga
atokongera hacogu nunka hingogo musiri omwako gwahwire nahingana nogo gurumwo bucori ogurumwo bucoro na nogo tinda kizekade yako bushisha haza mama yisema akabahingire hariya ahingira oburubweyo bwenyeri akaba twija no mukasheshe shayi birutika musiri shayi nabanata hayine bitundu ebi bishatu byo buro nyonkandi go shayi 11 ne bafunta jini na mujanti tindigarika kuhinga buro naheze okongera hariyecho ijo kunabendi yaho yija yanje atonomanya nte atkatwantenda kuhinga buro bwasesekawa na mujanto buro ntubuhinga ikatutini taka ataza mazima ntuza kubuhinga atonomanya nte katuze kureba buhambo hati ninza kongerera ahaci mwana mugambe cyo patobu ibanye no mbicho wo muzigitogu emisirino baba gipimere mwe nakakasharasharo tokakatabo kuyangambira najantona mazima twagaruko mu group ntukatuze buhambura tuja twapangise emisiri yitu nyose sakawati nyine kinkugigambana nararwo mugenye narararire nkoko na naba ninyende sente shaheje nindware nkoko nyamunuka nyijane sente ibanye nantera tukwe mu rumutanti twatwatine shonga ntebya kasento bobirekera horije no tushangizira za ukanintware nkoko njiyamwe sente wona seseka wanegamba obuchoro butwasharuira umwako gwawire na hati tubendurwe buhunga tinkaguraga buhunga no kutwara hari yacho mu karete sano kateka abana bakarye nenkoko kazachachu tinyine chinkubagamba abantu baseseka wareka mbaterere no mu yaro akubeta twejise tika chereba gechi ona kai
ni mu compare ni compare
Christmas no mujia ku Douglas, what do you want from me?
Yes, we are continuing with our millet growing, and right now we are this garden. Where is it found? And please tell me where we have reached now. What kind of, the variety planted, at what maturity age now, and expectations from this garden.
Okay, this is a variety called the Seremi 2. It is an early maturing millet variety, and we promote it basically because of that, and it is also drought tolerant. Here we are in Katomi Parish in Bonjera Sub-County, and this is actually a demo for our women's group. This variety takes around 110 days, and as we see, these ones are about to harvest. Actually, I pity by Christian women, they might not enjoy their Christmas because it has just very few days. By around 26th, this millet should be harvested. Actually, it was planted around September, and we expect harvest within those Christmas days. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. The next garden we have is shorter than this one. What's the change in the agronomy?
Of course, what happened was, you see, as this is a sloping area, so as they had planted, of course, some rains had to wash away some because they had not ensured against. They had not put bands and ridges that should have held that water within. So that is how that one came about. But of course, these are also different plots, and they were planted relatively at different days. But of course, it's the same variety. Unlike the other last plot, where the farmer wanted to try out in their normal way, so there was no fertilizer put, it was broadcasted, and that's why you see it a bit stunted.
How do you convince farmers that there's better production in following these agronomic practices?
Actually, at this moment, we do not even have to convince the farmers. They are already convinced. You had them talk by themselves. When you broadcast, one, you're using too much seed. That is already an economic loss. Secondly, the millet becomes overpopulated. Then there is a risk of too much disease and nutrient deficiency, which is opposed to when you plant in lines. And of course, planting millet in lines is very easy. You just need to have a very good ratio. You mix 1 cup of millet with 3 cups of soil and 1 cup of ash to ensure that you release as little seed or grain as possible. So farmers are convinced, and in some areas we have also improvised them line markers that help them to ensure that planting in lines is not so complicated. But the farmers here now are already convinced that it should not be broadcasting anymore.
Yeah, because millet has been a traditional food crop.
That's true.
Are you convinced that this time around these women are going to have millet as a cash crop?
By the way, currently here millet is selling much selling than maize, because a kilo of millet flour goes to 4,000. And how much is a kilo of maize flour? So that is already one. If you're buying millet grain, a kilo is around 2,000. How much is a kilo of maize grain? And of course, there are less production costs involved, of course, and many farmers are taking up millet. Of course, with these high yielding varieties, I'm convinced that farmers are going to take up millet growing here, not only for food security, but also for income generation. And it's highly selling.
Yeah, as the increased acreage, there would be issues of post-harvest handling. Have you kind of come up with technology to help these farmers do the post-harvest handling in the more?
Of course, as Sasakao Global 2000, we do the entire crop value chain. So we do not only end in the production, but we also go ahead and promote proper harvesting and post-harvesting practices. So there are a number of technologies. There are those small equipment that can help actually in harvesting the millet cutters or reapers. But of course, after harvesting, we also encourage the farmers not to dry the millet on the ground. So we encourage them to dry on tarpaulins or improvise some kind of carpet where they can dry, such that our millet remains of good quality, and we also try to avoid issues of aflatoxin at that level. Farmers here have a problem of beating the millet, with sticks, but I can assure them that we now have a machine or an equipment, we call it a thresher. So you just need to cut your millet and place it in. It will just thresh out. You have your clean millet grains there, and then the sasara you leave the other side. So all those technologies are there available for the farmers.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you. What happened here now? This is very brown, and it looks like it was broadcast.
Of course, being brown here works for me because having a farmer learning platform by the side, this really proves to the farmers the importance of the technologies we are promoting. This particular farmer here did not apply any technology. You can see the millet was broadcasted. The pollen compression is too high, very overcrowded, and the yellowing is basically a nutrient deficiency issue. So, which is actually what is not happening in the other field where we have proper nutrients applied.
One, two, three, go.
I'm waiting for you. Eh?
I've been up and down.
I know. Huh? Yeah, looking at the technology existing in this garden, are you convinced that farmers in Ntungamo districts will have fulfilled their mission of providing food security and bringing incomes to their smallholders?
Yeah. Well, I'm Dr. Rosalyn Nyamutale, the Country Director for Sasakawa Global 2000. I'm happy that the farmers really have taken up and have managed to look after this demonstration well, where the rest of the farmers are learning from. From even the discussions with the farmers, they have shown that they have now learned the best practice in maize management, and they have all pledged to grow maize in the first season in the way that we have trained them. That means that the farmers have appreciated. And if all of them do that, they will have the food security, but they also have the maize to sell and get money for other household needs. But I'm also been very impressed by the millet. In Ntungamo, they grow a lot of millet, but most of them don't grow it with good management. But the first visit that we made, the group has managed the millet, and the good thing is that it is next to a garden that is a farmer's practice. So the farmers have compared what the improved management, what they are going to harvest, and what the other farmers practice, how they are going to harvest. The most important is that the farmers have learned and have appreciated the technologies and the management practices.
Yeah, the challenge with farmers usually is input. As they get excited with this harvest, was there any plan to see that they access this kind of seed and farm inputs in this area?
Yes, we have a network. We have created a network of input stockists, of the community association traders with the village agents, who can sell to them to the inputs within their communities, and also they will be ready to buy their produce after harvest. So the input, they will have no problem with it. And the village agents and the other input stockists, we have linked them to their seed companies, to agro-input companies, that they can buy these inputs at a good price and they can sell to the farmers at a reasonable price. The farmers can also buy in bulk and also buy at a good price. In addition to that, we are promoting the saving. With the savings within the group, they save so that they can reinvest into agriculture. And you have witnessed the group itself has said it is going to make its own saving boxes. They save and then they loan to each other, but also they invest into agriculture again.
Okay. Mu Luganda katono bw'otunuulira ennimiro eno oli mumativu nti enkola gye mugezaako okutambuza okupolarizinga etambudde bulungi oba wakyaliwo kibulamu?
Bwe ntula ennimiro eno ndaba nti abalimi baffe be twayigiriza ennimiro ey'omulembe bagikoledde ddala nga bwe twabasomesa. Kati ndi mumativu nti programu eno ejja kweyongera ng'esomesa aba farmers abalimi abalala nga balabira ku kino engeri gye bakikozeemu nabo nga bakikola kyekimu mu nnimiro zaabwe.
Kyanjawulo ki ekikoleddwa ku nnimiro kuba nti efaanana bweti?
Ennimiro eno kitandikira ddala engeri gy'otegekamu omusiri gwo n'ogutegeka obulungi, ate ne basimba mu layini ne bateekamu ne fertilizer n'eddagala ery'obuwuka nalyo ne balikozesa, ne balaba nti bagirabiridde omukukoola mu budde. Kati kyova olaba nti enyirira bwetyo.
Ebizibu by'abalimi ebisinga obukulu biva mu kufuna nsigo nnungi n'empozi n'ebirala ebigenda mu nnimiro. Wanaabeerawo enkola eyamba abalimi bano abayize ennimiro eno okuba nti tebafiirizibwa nga bagezezaako okoppa bye bafunye wano?
Enkola yo weeri kubanga tulina bye twasomesa okusingira ddala abavubuka okulaba nti batuusaako abalimi mu byalo ensigo ez'omulembe n'ebirala ebikozesebwa mu nnimiro. Tulina bye tuyita community association traders bakolagana ne village agents n'aba extension workers baffe, the community based facilitators, okulaba nti batuusaako abalimi baffe ensigo gye baba baagala, omutindo ate n'obungi bwayo.
Okukyusa obwongo bw'omuntu wa bulijjo okukkiriza ekintu ekipya kibeera kizibu ebiseera ebisinga. Olowooza mu nkola eno mulina engeri gye mugenda okukyusa abantu bano abayita mu kitundu kino okuba nti bakyusaako nabo balime mu nnima yeetaagisa?
Era kati tuwawulidde dda bagamba nti bagenda kulima nga Sasakawa bwe bayigiriza ku nnimiro eno. Ate n'ekirala obulimiro buno tubuteeka ku luguudo n'abayitabo nabo balabe bayige, oba bafune gwe babuuza ani alimye wano abasomese nabo bayige ennimi ey'omulembe.
Kitangala kikubuuza nga describinga obungi bw'emmere bw'edda mu nkola eno naddala ng'otunuuliraku engeri kasooli gy'aweeseemu. Describing engeri kasooli gy'aweeseemu era olabe tekinologiya ayambye atya akabanyi omulimu agyafuna ekibuuzo.
Kaakati bw'otunuulira ensigo eno bagiyita Fortune 5, kampuni gye bayita Fika we twagigula. Ensigo eno eteekako eminwe 2, ekitegeeza nti omulimu mu kifo ky'okufuna kilo nga 10 oba kilo 100 aba abazaamu emirundi 2 n'afunako kilo 2 kubanga buli kuliko eminwe 2. Kakati ekitegeeza mu kifo kya faamu ono okufuna kilo nga 5 aba afunamu 100. Era kiva twagala nti ensigo zino ez'omulembe esobola okwongera ku bungi bw'ekyokungula ze tusinga okweyonera okuleeta mu balimi baffe. You can, no, it's not answering, it is
This variety, how does it really convince the farmer that we should invest in maize growing for economic?
Well, this is Fortune 5. It is from Fika company, and you can see it cobs. It has 2 cobs. So that means that instead of the farmer getting about 500 kilograms, he or she will be able to get 1,000 kilograms, because each plant, or most of the plants, have got 2 cobs. And these are the technologies that we'd like to promote among the farmers, the high-yielding varieties, so they can get good yield, even if it is a small land. And they can get food security, but also they get extra for sale.
I think then meeting again. We have somewhat to guide
barambire misiri bari bahinze turyaburo bari nibegesa abantu ati nareba mana more
esaheje yitwashikaho tinka kuriya enyuma eyitwabire nshinga yo ni nyuzuka nkahinga hakandi hakwise harahasya kabuba hwebo kopo 20 nasarura hwedebe necweka bihwiri konka hati nyino kwesima kwinji kugira ngo buro bwito obuntu busubiramu eshaku yina ninga no kweyongera yo mukama yakunda echo nkitwesimisa munonga okurwa mu mpinga yenyuma tukashikari yeji kandi akazuba katurabiremo sangire tuyine mwaka rwaraka itukumanyana karwara kinizo mboro bwito butakuhingisege za fatarayiza nikizamo konka tinkumanya ekikaresiremo ninjera bakuru nkaba hamburozi nibiza ko bano batugambera ekikaresiremo omu ngwe nubu yakubire bitari byingi inkomaho kandi yumu kureba aha henyuma bunankire tukiza twagera mwobo borabahinji nimwe numukimanyo bobu kine nkoko kubuzibiro bobu azo mukubukura tutwabumanya abo kugira ngo byona bikabyina mani no buro byina mani bitakatarikire tutwakemanya mwe natwe tugire kwesanga twayesangamu tuyine mwembu beje nayo tugine kandi kiresire aha henyuma no mureba nka hari hariho turo tugwire tukafuna ho kizubu kibare twasanga katakani kingana ranka twataho fatarayizo buro bwito bwakura konka no so muyaga tukagwiza twagwisa mu muyaga mwinji munonga tagera mani ho kugira ngo bukwate nkoko akwa kantu ako kahiruma hako nuko tukureba kare mwe bare basebo nabanya gesa twakwate nkondo twana norukoba nemigoye bakaba bagituhire obwe tukabanza twabanzura twaboneza umusirugwitu twagutatana twaguteka hanto aharungi mwe naho koreba ngo gwabonera tukabanza twapuma rukoba futezi ananitano arya 25 aha twakwate nkondo twateka hariyana na kuri ya muheru twakwata mugoye twapuma futi emwe niyo twabire tupuma aha mugoye twatimbe nyerezitu twakwata fatarayiza eyo babire nebeta NPK twajimemeramu twashweka twasanga tuyine mbubo yitu tukakwata ekikopo kimwe na nizu rya kasenda ekikopo kimwe na nitaka ebikopo bishatu twabigita byabe ebikopo bitano twakwata amabafu gitu twataboramo atu twamazire kutaboramo twatira mufatarayiza twaswekere uko kwate mbubo ogiroto murundu gumwe obutagaruka nyuma twabuba twagarukaho twasweka akataka twagenda ntatereza kugira ngo amizi gatakasangamo akahazu gakahaberamo embubo yite kasuma twahatereza je tuyiheruguru ntutereza mpaka eyi twashikize aha ntandikiro niho twakomere aho twataha tukabibe biro bina byo kwezi kwa mwenda kubyashikire ebiro mwenda twahotoka omumusiri twasango turo twitu twatandika kumera ataho twagarukayo twaburinda kuhabire nahwe biro anana bitano aho niho twabire nitwizira nitubagara nefuka nitukuramu aho bwingi bwabire buri nitubyara nkomu eyi mukureba obumwe bukiri buto nububuraburamo aza tukaba tukura kuriya eyi twabusanga buri bwingi tubyara hariya eyi butaramezere ataha niho eyi mukureba nko buto bukwiziramo nkobobo ningire icyo nicyo cyaresere cyo butakurira kugira ngo bukurire hamwe twabagara twaboneza niho hasitege yitwashikaho tutakatandikire kugeza twayiza twatimba ha bwashika omwomo obira se nyine muzindo akana ane mangu nira karyange ryane rigenda
kaka akakubabukaya
ubuno burwire nibukira kurebekamo namunonga nibukira kanyakanya ko batarimo ruwezo rwingi ngamunu yanabwe ni mane cike abo kugira ngo ubundi ariko burabaramo umubyo kurya so konka ekiri kumaraho burwirobo uburundi bafuhirira kare butaka kira stage so ni mane mutamwe mibazi ryo kufuhira ubukoko nenki konka arondi ryo mibazi iri gukora burwirobo nyene okay so uburwiro na mibazi ejo harimo ndi kumanya ryo maduka kunu ya konka ni harimo Victory Uncle Zebu Pango Silu King Cody nemibazi myingi so ejompa ninjira hino mwarahuriro maduka kunuya so namunonga Victory niyo kucyera kurebeka so korwa no fuhira nk'ubukoko no kwatsanga Victory yawe jo ninga makoze buringe je nagambirejo oteka namunonga Victory akuko akona kabazikina mani okay so ukajwanzwe mu bazo korwa no fuhizo ubukoko then fuhira yo nene kora ryeki okay waba tina muhuka ubukoko na bwestiru no gifuhira yonka kugira ngo utagera mu kintu keki so ubwo wakira umukare numa bwa bukiruto noreba bwagumana buhinduka mbwana ko banka yero kandi utira mufatarira yawo so ukiburo ryaho rebwana ko kwiragura ati no fuhiriza makantu wako so arone bu
aha binanimbaga mbera mbanyankore bageta sambogo aza sambogo nayo emibaze y'igihugu yagamba negitamba koketa kagitambere nimpabura abahingi mwe nabo buro obumuntu omwe tubantwerinda nkebe kandi omuntu rubasa kutukura washanga hiruri atariho kirisa nabwo rubasa kuba ruti konko bwiro bwingi sambogo noeretwa nendwara nenerwa mu itaka koko wakorise kashenda tekukirakanya nambwe ni mwagwo koresa kashenda omusirwanyu tekanyire mu kayitwa abanza ba members yitwa abanza numangu yekanyire munonga konka numurengu ntugirondereza tuko so kashenda mukagitamu kuri atubaragitiremu nabwo ecyo mwagumana mugikoresa munonga indwara y'intu gibinga mweba
nizikanya munonga na munonga itabe kumantu hinga kingwa ashanga musire gwabe guhingira mu buro mugwe nagaramo ncheze akabaza tsigira masigo zazo zibasigira nane kindi kugira ngo tutazigambiraho okushanga wacereza embogo yawe musiri nenda zikasigara mu bukamana sigara mu bukambukemeze byemeza ebingi bihinduka ki enjenzi nekindi obutatora nembo zitu ngahati umuntu naza kora kamenjenze zezurumu nogeshobora bwawe nazo noshanga zagira sta zagenderamo ngwana boro butakezire wano okura noza kushanga wazikura stage yakuzire oshanga watwara karuko kunakatwara shanga mu wafemu mbona uzakuzire mukwata musego wanjye ntakakira kugisha osarre ngai osarra hansi ogendoze nagi ngira koraza ugeshobora bwo utakagira ngo utware bikongera oburemezi oyibabo waguze no kubani wayesisira kandi tiwatsisira kokwe kabanga rumwata n'ikiririzi cyakuchendeza amasharura gawe
ari kibuze
bari gusiba
nyine kibuzo kimwe kumusharura ekibuba mukikozesa ki
nitukitwara tukyarira omu ntoki
so owabo obona ebintu babirukisa konka kandi tokuntu kubigira tuta kubirukisa konka tari abako byose yashibwe bivuga konka na ego yazamu arundi jo nekibuzo
amabona so nofuira kare butaka tariki wabo fuhire kare ubugabwa butizeramo
kuko kore bantu bagemesa umwana bamutera polio 0 atine cyamubire
ubanga no bwafuira no bano kora busheno babarwire
ari ikindi
bise nanka umukutabira nanka oburo atwabitire mu kashenda kandi kije gazamu tukije hakagira abandi bagambona nk'aba bakwa bakuze n'abantu bamanye ibintu akaja ngo washime mera mu tampa kagese negenda kabwe ejo kashenda tukatire mu kashenda nje ni
umuntu umoko ko nova omumbu bayite ya drilling tukwe twatugira tuti kashenda umuntu umwe hahagireho akashanda hamwe n'akayaga nubasa kuva enjuma zonka iyo twago mugira ki hatoshanga iwave taza none mbona advice ko muhingi no kujya ngo waba notamu hato yinike ryo mugongo wanyetegereza urebeka ngo kuruga yomenye ngo watamu konko tageno yes babu yari kandi numuza kugesha ryari kandi na no kombera ukombera umwata mukombera ryari
ne ati ekibuze yanabuza kugira ngo nikitwara mwana mugerana seje nkora yuko ingo munyerere na neje yanyu ko numuva numubonaga mute mwaza kuombera ahantu yari kitwara wire kwingana ki kuombera umusiriguriya ukwingana nkogu na nogo guri muri ni kitwara wire kwingana ki
atogunugura huka ubwo tukagubagarra uramu uburo nago muzugumwe konka buri butwabere ntuhingo bwenyuma aha nkahomberera esandi ibiri ubwo bwe kandi turya abantu babiri twayomberaho esandi ibiri kandi hatukomberaho muzugumwe kugira ngo tukaturi 13 tukabagara gumwe mwene twamana
mwatandika shazinga imwinuka gashazinga yaho
tukatenduka mu kashese tuyinuka ho sha munana omukubagara mbwe nyoni ndeba ngweji ebonire te kuhenda nkeriye yito yenyuma
esandi ibiri zona muri yawo
esandi ibiri konka nyesuzura nguliza kwihoza kuburuku
mwena ati yuno habura cyabatahi baho bari hanuya ahangoreje kurigira uko yegire
abatahi banje mureke twasikanye n'ubwo muranga utwahinga turahendeke munongo abo kuba musande no bano wabana ngo n'ubwo kuboye no mwehere ko hariya umusande cyo muntu omwe no asa kwinjira mu museregogo ogumari kandi nano mukubagara ize kikwangukira nane musarure gende
umurimo abeteka teke kujya mu mwako guru
buryo
mureke tubatera umungaro
murebire kitakaga kinyo
1 2 3
Kari nani njerangu umwe abahanuya arumotoka nziza motoka yarashangire ngeri yima yarashangire umwanya abari yafika benyuma muzitamaho nyine bariyo baze muzari yarafika benyuma hariya
Naba kwat.
Mukwati mwemereze uburoga. Mwemereze.
Ubugare cyarenga. Urasha. Barakire. Twakora umushaho tumwafaki.
Okay, we are going to start with English, then Lunyangole next. Yes. You're going to introduce yourself, what you do with Sakawa, and where.
I'm Brian Vagirusia. I'm a zone of CBF in Greater Bwongera, and I do with Sakawa Global 2000 in Bwongera.
Yeah, being a zone of CBF, what does it mean? You are in charge of how many villages?
I'm in charge of 80 parishes. That is Chabashen, Kachika, Nyabwari, Rwanda, Katomi, Iterero, and Charhuga.
Okay. Yeah, when in this part of the region, this kind of intervention has just come. It's now about 2 seasons, 1 season. 1 season. Yes. How have you seen the response of farmers to adapt new technologies of farmers?
Farmers, they are adopting our technologies because they do well, and many farmers they are trying to practice our technologies. Yes.
Yeah. Like we are looking at a millet value chain. People historically are known for broadcasting millet. How did you convince them that you're supposed to plant in lines, put fertilizer and all that?
Yes. I normally told them because planting millet in lines, it is easier and it is cheap. And you put your millet seeds, literal millet seeds, and in yield data, you have high yield in almost in kgs. Yes.
And are farmers adapting this technology?
Yes, they are adopting this technology. Yes.
And from their comments, what are they saying?
So they are commenting that they will usually use this technology because it is easier and cheap, and it saves time. Yes.
Saves time to do what?
It saves time in terms of weeding, in planting, and even in collecting, in harvesting. So it saves time.
Okay.
Nibanyita Brian Vagirusia kandi ndi zono CBF ahabwa Greater Bwongera.
Ati ebigambo by'obuhingi biri bita?
Ebigambo by'obuhingi mu Bwongera ahinde gamba nibigendo mu misho na munonga ahabwe enkora ya Sakawa yizere omucanga kitu kya Bwongera kandi kiha abantu omukuhinga ebintu bingi batine kibasharuire hati nibahinga hake bakinga embibo y'omurembe kandi basharura byingi.
Ati ntureba obuhingi bwa buro ni mukora technology ni mukora muta
omukuhinga buro amageza gitwejonesa no kugira kuno tukaba tushanga ngo buro n'ubuhingo mu masinde hati ntubuhingo mu ntabire kandi tubuhingo mu rayinezi kandi nabwanyuma tutukwikiriza mwatagona kuzamu tubufuhirira tukeza kubufuhirira bwasibirana na bitano tamuyoreya kandi tuguma ntuburambura na naho buro butaramezere okuro byaraho so oshanga umusirgo nagurumwo buro.
Oroza encourage kwongera obuhingi bw'emere.
Encourage yongerire kimwe ubwingi bw'emere ahinde gambira mu Bwongera tutwine bizubu bya food security kandi twine na income ahabwe encourage umuntu naguzaho atunge cyo kurya agaruka atungana n'akasente ko kubisaho ekaye.
Okay, webale muno akizibu nenki mu college.
Mu college tukatungire mbizibu abo kwembe bonayizira ombwire abantu nibahingira ombwire kandi basharura ombwire nabwo cyo tukatungire mu kizibu okuyo nturebe ibintu byona nibigendaje kandi abantu bona behireyo okura terenkoreje na munongo mu kuhinga uko murembe.
Konka bafama abandi bali worried nti embibo temina ba stockists
ekiri amazima kuno twetaka tungire abine stoka zo kushanga mwembe beje kiyo kiriye kizibu cy'amanu munonga konka sasa kawa igumenegezamu ne turetera abafika seeds ne batuhereza embibo ezitorinwe kandi ezibonire kandi embibo zitukubyara zona zimera zirgayo mu itaka.
At next season is sakawa nga evudde wano mugenda kukola ki nga mbibo temubina mbibo.
Ahinda gambira season eri kwija sakawa no gwe ku project bonka bo batakiryomu twehere yo gumizamu ntukuratera enkora yabo nicyo rukurebera nko mu season eyo ko kubanza kwiko kwa katano nuba batari mwomu konka tuba nitu adoptinga technology yabo tukuhinga niyo tukuhinga.
Webale muno. Okay, ni maseli zina lyo le kigombe ne kitundu pecha.
Amazina ndikentaro Shakira nindiga omukibina ekibari kweta Nyakabare Two Farmers Association ekirukushangwa omuruka gwa Katomi omugombora eyabwongera.
Manyisa empinga yobulo yensangwa mwali mu pinga mu kiro ande enjawulo wakatibwa empinga nempinga ende yomulembe Sakawa.
Ati ejempinga ya Sasakawa yo kwinjisa
soko ongambe empinga
entanus kanchona niza muganda entani seri ya kuhinga oburo bwito bwa buriju na nobwo bwa Sasakawa bw'umunyiri. Hati echo kubanza wanorageragera nasanga kebishisha kare echikumba noreba tikahingana na kari akaro akakuba katarimo kirisa wanogeragera nasanga nebe buri fatalizer obwa Sasakawa na nobwito bwa karo bwabanya kwenkuru ubaye bahinga. Kandi kindi ahabwo kujya ntubanteka mu ebirisa nkayureya no muyaga no bwa kwija oburobwo tubukahiruma obwito bwa Sasakawa konka buriyo bwito bundo bwabanya kwenkuru nubutekwa kwiruma burukwenda butarukwenda ahabwo kuba kare yureya ni kare nekora amapapa gaba kinyansi kare bagakora gaba gurini kandi gagaka gayamba ahaburo bwito obwo okugira ngo omuyaga gwija niko kwandwa ingana kitubukahiruma.
Kati empinga ne yomulembe mutya mutya sigo munazi janga wa kusimba mulayini kibasanyisiza era mulaba nga furuse kintu egenda kweyonga mere
abakwatirine nana okweyongera kwa hamere omakagitu yo ijuye twakirangize ahabwo kuba itute kare Sasakawa etakizire omurubwongera tukabansiteye ko murunduguma konka hategeshaha eyindi gambira nyowe nkanye na nabatahi banje aba group na naba muri mu cyara bagira mu Sasakawa nturye mirundena mukashesha umuyangwe na nankagati ye mbwene yihangwe tukuzabuzo mwazi yo na nekiro cyacuro
oyinecho otina mu kola ene yomulembe
mazima tine kindu futina ahabo kwa tine kirukunyeganya iso kwinga icyo kubanza buri bisho ni impinga kandi na nebe byo kwinga umurayini nakwe no kuhinga kandi kigaka kinyongeraho nyo kindi kuba nincikundura unohinga kice oyiha mu cyango kukira empinga yito yabanya kwenkore yo kwinga buro bakabiba ababe bakahinga emisiri myingi nemwe kagwa yo batajombire bakashanga ba leta amasharura make aha no hinga umusasaka bano hinga umusiri muke guringanire ogubagara ombwire buke kandi karembwe no kore minendije mirimo yawe eri yakubire mbwene yakubene itagisa umuka konka buriyo bwabanya kwenkuro buro bwo kubiba bakaba batakabasa kale to kurugayo ngoze kwinge bitakuroze kwinge bindi konka hate bino basa no kushubura abuko musiri ningo bagare biro bibiri gwagura umuhango ecweka cha kale gwagura eka ningo bagare biro bibiri inzo mu bindi ningananye nduhuka konka yaba erinka eka ninge ecweka oriyo noza kugombera no gombera ugaruka gurara gusigara kale mwata hamwe gubara mbweno bura kugwika oburo butarika bugwa no mukerari oburo mazima bwina katari kiro hategesha hindi gamberamu omuri bwongera yitu waba no omushubuzi omuguzi hati nyo muhingi nibabunyira 2025 omushubuzi nawe nabuguze 13 ati nyonkanye kanwa kagamba nkatandikira hakuhinga aha mita 500 akasirika kwingana mita 500 konkategesha yindi gambira muni impingiro mu kishayi eka nendije misirikare nko bucoro naki ebyo ni impingiro nimba ni impingiro eka tinkingira muri mita 500
Nenga ikiroto cyo cya
Abanje?
Kiroto.
Ekitekateko kare hate kinyi no mukurgo mu byo kuhinga nangwa ne bimwe kare natangiye kubikora abuka ati ntegesha yindi gambira mu kuhinga kwanje nkihamu project yenkoko nindi senkoko ngatancha nko kwigana ati ndiye mu nko kwigana 5 ezenyama ninye sigangu mukama ari umuhezo wanje na goma kagwanu guhwa nimbasa ko bani ninzo mu nkoko 200 kandi ndi kubasa kwero nabana banje school fees kurugiro mu kurugo mbintu byo kuhinga Kentaro Shakira Kentaro Shakira Parece
Tiene más. Ula. Toro.
Ogubwine buratukura hibo.
Ubutari bwo.
Ubukure.
Ubukure byo.